Straightforward talk about Sri Lanka. Welcome back. Let's continue discussing the remaining topics from episode 07. 4. Protests about agriculture. From my perspective, there's no need to protest and waste your time. Instead, use that time to make your own compost. All farmers should work together to regain our agricultural knowledge and systems. Remember, Sri Lanka was once the country that provided rice to all of Asia. So, what happened? As a nation, we have forgotten our strengths and values. Our people have become lazy, waiting for others to come and help or provide free aid for their families and farming processes. It seems the whole country has forgotten where it stands. Sri Lankans stand on very valuable land. Currently, many are blind to this. Now is the time to open your eyes and start working together for a better future. If you change, the country will change automatically. Look around you. In many parts of Sri Lanka, you can't get things done without spending money or seeking revenge, be it with the police, hospitals, or government offices, and etc. Who created this situation? Who is responsible? It's you, and it's us. So, it's time for a change. Change yourself and teach and practice good habits with your family to change our country's system. Remember, politicians can't change the system, they are part of the problem. We need to change ourselves. See you soon, and we will talk more in the next video. Goodbye until then.